In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Jotform private. Now, whether you're collecting sensitive information or just want to restrict access to a select group, making your form private ensures that your data remains secure and accessible only to those you've permitted. Let's walk through the process. First, start by navigating to Jotform's homepage. You can find Jotform by searching for free online form builder and form creator vertical bar Jotform in your preferred search engine, or by entering the URL directly into your browser's address bar. The homepage of Jotform is where all the magic starts. It's a comprehensive platform allowing you to create forms for any need, ranging from simple contact forms to extensive surveys. Now that you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will take you to the login page, where you're presented with several options to log in. If you've previously linked your Jotform account with Google or another platform, choose that method for a seamless login experience. The integration with these platforms offers a quick way to access your account without remembering another password. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the My Forms section of Jotform. Here you'll find all the forms you've created listed. This section is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to manage, create, and analyze your forms with ease. Find the form you wish to make private by hovering over it. This action will reveal several options related to the selected form. Look for the Edit Form button, which will take you to the Form Builder. The Form Builder is a powerful tool that lets you customize your form's layout, question types, and settings to better suit your needs. Within the Form Builder, your next step is to click on Publish, located at the top of the page. This section is crucial, as it's where you control how your form is shared and accessed. The Publish settings offer various options to distribute your form, including direct links, social media, and email. Once in the Publish settings, you'll notice a tab labeled Settings. Click on it. The Settings tab is quite comprehensive, covering everything from general form settings to email notifications. However, your focus should be on adjusting who can access your form. Within the settings, find and click on Private Form. Choosing this option will toggle the privacy settings of your form. A private form is not accessible to the public and requires specific permissions to view and complete. This setting is ideal for when you're handling sensitive information or wish to limit respondents to a select group. By setting your form to private, you've taken a significant step towards securing your data and controlling access to your information. Remember, only those with permission can now access this form. If you need to grant access to others, you'll have to manage permissions or share secure links directly with your intended audience. To summarize, today we've journeyed through the process of making a Jotform private. We started by logging into Jotform, navigating to My Forms, selecting a form to edit, and then adjusting the publish settings to make the form private. This process is straightforward but integral for anyone looking to secure their data or limit access to their forms. Remember, privacy settings can always be adjusted based on your needs, so feel free to experiment with what works best for you and your audience. Jotform's versatility makes it a powerful tool for creating forms for any purpose, securely and efficiently. That wraps up our tutorial on making your Jotform private. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to leave comments or questions below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.